What's going on, everybody? John here from Bearded Outdoorsman Chronicles, just coming at you with a quick tip. Figured I'd go ahead and get this one out to you guys while I'm actually doing it. So I've gone ahead throughout the season here as it's wound down and pulled some of my cameras that I maybe want to just move to a new spot for next season, or it was in public land somewhere where I wanted to keep honest people honest and just not have to worry about my cameras. So I have quite a few cameras sitting here at the house waiting to be put back out for next season. And the way I keep this organized is I take masking tape and a Sharpie, you know, very cheap stuff here, and I put a number on each one of my cameras. So that's number 1, number 2, so on and so forth. You get the point. So what I'm doing is I'll turn the camera on, get it to take a picture so I know which camera it is. I'll rename it in the application for the number that I've designated it with the masking tape and Sharpie. So next year, when I go and put this camera out in a new spot, I don't have to guess which camera I have. I know, like, oh, hey, this is number 1. I'll go ahead and take the masking tape off, put it in my pocket, and rename this camera in the app for the spot that I've put it in. I just found that little extra organization here in the off season kind of helps streamline when I'm deploying all these cameras for next year. So I hope that helps you. I hope you find that useful. Until next time, thanks for watching, and shoot straight.